14 tips to rank higher in Google Maps. Google Maps is one of the most powerful marketing strategies local business people can use. It's easy to set up and best of all, it's completely free. In this video, I'm going to show you the 14 best Google business hacks to get you in the top 3 so you can get more local traffic and customers. So here are the 14 ways to fully optimize your listing. Number 14, set up your listing. Goes without saying, but this is the first step to getting you on your way. You can simply set up an account by going to google.com/business and use your Google Gmail account. Type in your business name, select your business category. After you've done this, it will then ask you if you want people to visit your location. So if you're a plumber and don't want people to visit your store, then select no. If you're a plumbing supplier and do have a store, then click yes. After that, you can then enter the areas that you cover. Once you've done that, enter your number and your website address. When that's done, enter your mailing address. Once you do this, Google will send you a code in the post within about 4 days. Once you've got the code, you just have to simply put it in. This will verify and activate your listing. Now, before we move on, we want to show you a feature on Google My Business that makes it easier to manage your listing. So when you're logged into your profile, just Google your company name and you will see a small dashboard at the top of the page. Here, you can navigate through all the settings and edit your listing. Number 13, Google My Business posts. First of all, Google posts are a bit like posting on your social media, but for Google. When you do a post, you'll see them live on Google under your listing. This helps Google see that you are a relevant and active business, and they will rank you higher for doing regular posts. Simply click on the Add and Update button. Where you will see 3 options, you can then choose Add Update, Add Offer, or Add Event. What you should do is regularly update this with anything happening with the business, like events, new services, new awards, pictures of the team, and anything else relevant to your business. By doing so, it will show customers you are an active business and they'll be likely to give you a call. To add an update, write a description, add an image, and then you can add a button with a link to the relevant page on your website. Number 12, Q&A. On your Google Business profile, you will see a button that reads See All Questions. Here, you can reply to any questions that people have asked your business. Remember, anyone can ask questions, so this is a great way to keep in touch with your potential customers. Something else you can do is ask yourself questions and then answer them. They will then show up on the Q&A and are there for when people are looking at your business details. All you have to do is think of the most commonly asked questions you get asked and answer them there. Number 11, add logo, pictures of work, images of team, and videos. Here is a great place to showcase your product, your team, and company branding. Simply click on the icon that says Add Photo and add your logo, company banner, images of your work, and videos. Number 10, reply to Google reviews. Google My Business reviews will play a massive part in how many people contact you. When doing a local search, let's say Builders London, people will see the top 3 listings. If your score is lower than the other 2, then people are far more likely to choose the other ones. Having more reviews and a better score always plays a massive part in how highly the listing ranks on Google. If you do a search for your service in your local area and you see that other competitors have 20+ reviews, always go for more and get a higher rating. This way you will show up higher. Number 9, filling out your business description. To update your business description, scroll past your listing and click the link that says Edit Your Business Information. Then click on the little pencil icon. When filling out your business description, list all the benefits of using your services and also include keywords. For example, if you're an emergency plumber, include keywords like burst pipes, boiler repairs, and emergency plumbing. This will help Google pick up multiple keywords in your listing and then will rank your listing higher. Number 8, add services. Adding your services is also a great way for Google to pick up multiple keywords in your listing. Click on Edit Services, click Edit again, and then list all of your services. In this list, you can also add a description of the service and the price. All good information to give your listing a boost on the search engine. Number 7, add the locations you cover. To add more locations or delete locations you don't want to cover, go to google.com/business. Click on the pencil icon and here you will see the locations listed. Simply add or delete the locations you want to cover. This way you are more likely to show in the map pack for these areas. Number 6, send people the review link. When you've completed a job and asked someone for a review, chances are they will not know where to leave it, so they just won't bother. The best way to get them to leave one is to send a direct link to the Google page. To find the link, click on Get More Reviews and then copy the link and send this directly to the customer. This way they will click it and it takes them straight to the review page. It makes it simple for them and means you're far more likely to get a review. Number 5, add products. So here you can add your products. When you do, you'll see them listed under your Google listing like this. To add them, click on the Edit Products icon and then list out your products and your services. You also have the option to add an image, a product name, price, description, and then a link to the page the product or service is listed on. Number 4, turn on the chat functions. With the chat feature, you can speak to potential customers directly and get more sales. Simply click on the messages icon and then turn on web notifications. Now you'll be able to message anyone that sends a message through using this feature. Number 3, opening hours. Always add your opening hours to your listing. To do this, click on Edit Business Information and scroll down to Opening Hours. Here, list the times you are open and shut. This is going to stop people trying to call you when you're not open. Additionally, you can also edit your holiday hours here as well. Number 2, check your performance regularly. Checking your performance regularly is a great way to see if there's anything else you can be doing to push the listing up the rankings and get more calls. To do this, you click on the performance icon, and here you can see how many people have interacted with your listing and also how many people have called you. Top tip to get more interactions is to just add more images than your competition and have way more reviews. Completely outdo the competition. If they have 100+ images, add 200. If they have 50 reviews, go for 100. This way, you'll be pushed to the top and you'll get a lot more calls. And number 1, always add your website. Always add a link to your website. I know this might seem simple, but we speak to businesses almost every day that have still not done this. Simply click on Edit Your Business Information, scroll down and drop your website link here. This means when people see your listing, they can click straight through to your website and read more about your business. So that's it. We hope you found this useful, and if you like the content or this video, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.